Today I will tell you how to create a worksheet and the formulas of Excel. You know there are 5 formulas of Excel: count, average, sum, maximum and minimum. Okay, we use in Excel. Okay, and you know. For example, I bought lots of fruits. It's going to take me forever to calculate the total amount of them. So I will use Excel functions. Okay. In Excel, a function is a predefined formula that performs mathematical and logical operations. Do you know what does a predefined formula mean? It means the formula already exists in Excel and there is no need to build them. Okay? So let's start. First we will go to the Excel. Then we will go to the blank workbook and then we will zoom it like this. I will close this. Okay, it's alright. And did you know what is a worksheet? What is a cell range? I explained in previous video. If you want to check this video, the link is in description. Please check. So let's start. First we will write here N. First we will click the one row. It will select all from the end to start to the end. And we have to bold it. Did you know why I bold it? Because the heading always bold. Okay? We want the heading bold. So I will click on one and to the start and the end all will be bold. Okay? So first I will write here fruits. Enter. It's like this. I will write here apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Then banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. And then I will write here orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Then I will write here mandarin. R-I-N. Mandarin. Then I will write here apricot. So let's try A-P-R-I-C-O-T. Apricot. Okay, it's alright. So then I will draw the next column. I will write here what amount. And I write here 35. In amount I write 35. And what I write I write here 20. It's alright. Then I will write here 30. It's alright. Then 10. Yes, 10. Then 40 is alright? Okay. It's alright. And then I will draw a next column of price. What? Price. Why not gold? Oh, I will write it. And this no gold. I will gold it at the end. Okay. I already have price and 3, and it's alright 2.5. Okay, it's alright 2.5, and I will 4, and 3.5. It's alright 3.5. It's done for the wait, it's not done. I will short it I will skip one line and then I will write here total. For function I am leaving the space, so I will tell how to do the functions. Okay, and I will skip one line and write here total and average price. 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 It's alright. Now I will. Oh, sorry. First, not that. I will big the column. Big the column like this. It's alright. And then I will select all and I will border it. Okay. All border means the all border, and this is. If you have some question, please tell me in the comment box. I'm here. Okay. And then I will change the writing. Yes, writing must be time New Roman. Okay, writing must be that's not alright. I will use it. Oh, wait. RRTS. It's alright. I want to change the writing. T-I-M-E, time. This is the writing. It's not right. Okay, I will do it again. It's not. It's okay. No. Sorry. It's by mistake. Oh, sorry. I will select it again. Oh. Okay, and this is the tiny one. Okay, so I have this. I will use this column. Oh, that's alright. And the color will be not yellow. I don't like yellow. No. I will go to the font color and it's white. And I will only select this one and go to the which color. It's alright. Medium. And very amazing. You understand what I'm doing? And now we have to get the formula. So let's start. First is a sum function. Sum function. Do you know what is sum function? Sum function means to calculate the total amount. Use the sum function. To calculate the total amount, use the sum function. Did you know? There are two options for me to choose the sum function. First is like this. In first row, I will write first option, and in second, I will write second. Okay? Let's start. Please, I'm telling that. Please hear it. Any formula, any count, max, minimum, and sum, average, any formula. It will start with is equal sign. What? Is equal sign. If you don't put the is equal sign, it will be wrong. It will be wrong. It will be incorrect. The formula will be incorrect. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you write like this, like this. It's wrong. It's very wrong. Not like this. Or if you like that, I'm doing the average one. Oh, sorry. It's wrong. Always the formula start with is equal sign. What? Is equal sign. If you will not put the is equal sign, it's not right. Did you know what I'm doing? Do you understand what I'm doing? Okay? Did you get my point? Okay. So I will always start with is equal sign. So I will write here sum. Okay. Always write sum in capitalization. If you will not write sum in capitalization, if you will write like this wrong. This will not correct. It has own rules. First rule is put the is equal sign. Second rule is use the use the name of the function in capitalization. For example, sum. So I will write in capital, not like this. So you are getting my point? Always start in capital. If you will not capital, and if you will do like this, S is capital and U and small, it's not good. Please. Do you understand? Please. Then we will put bracket. Yes, bracket. And this is very important. I am doing in B column. Yes or not? I'm doing that. So I want to write use this one column to write the sum function. So I will write here B. In previous video, I said that if I put here, what is it? A2, like this, also like this. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay? And in B column, I will write B. From where? B2? Oh, sorry. B2 colon. It is very important too. B where B6 and pretty close. It's very easy and click anywhere and the answers represent for you. Do not believe? Check. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 30, 80. 80, 90, 100 and 35. 125. It's very easy. You can count like this but in Excel there's a rule. There's a option for you to an easiest way. You understand what I'm saying? You're getting my point. Okay? Like this. And the another is equal to B2 plus B3 plus B4. Oh, sorry. I've read here before. Sorry. It's alright. I'll always start with is equal sign. Oh, sorry. Is equal sign. B2 plus B3. Oh, it's alright. Alright. I will write here B6. It's alright. And 2 and that. 3 plus 3 6 and 2.5. It's alright. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay. Do this one. Do the average. Okay. Like this. D is equal to AVERAGE average. Like this. Then C2. Do you understand? Okay. C2. I have a mistake. I have write B2. Okay. I'm C colon, so I will write C. Okay. Colon C6. Okay. And bracket close. That's alright. And answer is 2.2. You are getting my point? Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay. So today's also for the remaining 3 function you will do in another class. Please like, share and subscribe my video, and please tell me what is average. What is average? I'm giving you a star. What is average? Please tell me in comment box. Then I can see what is your answer. So like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye. I will save it. Okay, it's alright. Thank you for more, and you know where's my it's right here. Okay. Okay. Allah is. See you. Goodbye. For more. Okay. Bye bye.